Welcome to CT Hub. In this video, we'll show you how to disable link previews in WhatsApp on your iPhone, an important privacy feature that gives you more control over the information you share. By default, WhatsApp generates a preview when you share a link in a chat. This preview usually includes a title, a short description, and a thumbnail image from the linked web page. While helpful, this feature can share more data than you realize, including your IP address, with third-party sites. When you enable the Disable Link Previews option, WhatsApp stops generating previews for any link you send. This helps protect your privacy and prevent external websites from tracking your IP address. This setting only applies to links you send. It won't affect how you see links shared by others in your chats. Next, we will show you the steps to disable link previews in WhatsApp on your iPhone. Before trying this, make sure to update WhatsApp to the latest version from the App Store. To turn on Disable Link Previews, launch WhatsApp on your iPhone. Tap Settings located at the bottom right. Tap Privacy. On the next screen, scroll down and tap Advanced. Here you will see the option to turn on Disable Link Previews at the bottom. We will show how the previews are generated when this setting is turned off. For example, when you share a link for a web page, by pasting the link in your chat, you would notice it immediately generates the preview. This preview could be useful when sharing with others to get a quick glance about the topic and decide where they want to go to the link to read or watch a video. You can tap on the toggle option to turn on Disable Link Previews in Privacy Settings. Once it's turned on, your IP address will be protected from being inferred by third-party websites. Tap Learn More to get further details on this setting. Now, turn on Disable Link Previews. When you paste a link in a message, it will appear as plain text, no preview, no thumbnail, and no metadata. This change prevents your IP address from being exposed when the preview is generated. If someone else sends you a link, and they haven't disabled link previews, you'll still see the preview, but it won't affect your privacy or IP address. So, if privacy matters to you, consider enabling this feature today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to CT Hub, and hit the bell icon for more such useful tutorials. And we'd love to hear from you. Leave a comment below, let us know what you think about this video, or if you have any questions, feel free to ask. We'll be responding to your comments, so let's start a conversation. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.